Hey guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off keyboard sound settings in Vivo Y19. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon.